Hey everyone! Someday you just have that vibe like don't fucking mess with me, you know? Just this kind of feeling. Usually this kind of feeling comes up because it's a time of the month. So let's just get started and look at the sun. It's just you know, natural lighting. The sun is really massive, and let's just get started. My kind of don't fucking mess with me, this kind of look is just you know, I must have a red lips and a sharp wing liner. Today I'm gonna do my eyes first, so I have to use tart-shaped tape to prime my eyelids. You know, sometimes I just don't want to use primer, but sometimes, yes, I can use primer. But sometimes I just don't want to use that. I just think my skin is okay to directly to put the foundation on. So, let's use this to prime my eyelids. And I use this kind of brush to blend it. This brush is from e.l.f. What's the name of it? Blending brush. I'll set my eyelids because they're a little bit tacky. I'm using the Jacqueline hair palette, this kind of shades. It's shimmery. You know, sometimes it's okay to use a shimmery eyeshadow as your base. So I'm gonna use this Kevin Kwan, this sculpting powder in the shade Lights. I always use this to contour my nose. So today I'm just put this in a crease to contour my eye. By the way, this powder is really powdery. You can see when you dip your brush in the pan, the powder is like boom. It's really intense. But this shade was really good because you barely see the cool tone shades like this to contour your nose. Actually, I'll put this. I just grabbed the Urban Decay shades out of the pans and put all of them in this pan. And push the pigment stay put in the pan. So what I want to say is basically I'm using the Urban Decay, that shadow. But sorry about that, I forgot what shade is that. It's kind of really shimmery, like glittery shades. You can see it? Can you see it? Yes, you can see it. It don't have that much pigment. So that's why I use that kind of white eyeshadow as my base. Because these don't have that much pigment, all of them is just glitter. So you can see, actually it's really pretty. It's under the sunlight. I'm loving this. So I'm gonna repurchase this, but I don't know, is this limited edition or does it exist on the market? I'm not sure. I will check it out. And today my friend is visiting me, so later I'm gonna go out to have dinner with her. I think I should use setting spray. Yeah, I'm just using the Morphe setting spray to put this. Okay. I will grab this eyeshadow, make it more sparkly. I will grab the eyeshadow first and spray my brush. Which one is gonna have more good results? You grab your eyeshadow first and then use the setting spray to spray your brush. This way you can make your eyeshadow have more pigments and sparkly, because I have to make wing liner stand out, so I just keep the eyeshadow like this. Okay, so I just clean up the line, makes the light really sharp. I have to move on to my face. The face parts, yeah, just like what I said, today I'm gonna skip the primer step, and then I just directly use the foundation. I will mix them together. Today I will use number 7 and the Dormancy foundation. Because this foundation, one pump is really small amount, so today I'm gonna use 2 pump. You can see 2 pump is just this much. And I will use half pump of number 7. Sometimes I just in the mood to use my finger to blend all the things on my face. But sometimes I just don't want to do that. I just want to use a brush. Later, I will use the concealer to fix all the mistakes I made. The Balm. This eyeliner was really famous. It's black and matte. Yeah, that's my wing liner. And I will finish the other eye real quick. Sometimes you have to accept your eyeliner is not twins, it's sister or brothers and sisters. Okay, because the sun is going down, so right now I just change up to the studio lights to highlight and conceal my face. Alright, then I'll do my under eyes. The under eyes, I think it's just really simple. So basically I just put the sculpting powder on onto my under eyes, and it's pretty much is it. And the shimmery shades I'll put in the inner corner of my eye. And today mascara, I'm gonna use this one. This is really dramatic and natural at the same time. It's very good. Okay, I'm back. I just put the false lashes on and put some mascara on my lower lashes. You know, I didn't found really good lower lashes mascara in my life. If you have good recommendation, please tell me the good mascara for your lower lashes. I think today I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try to use this color. Is like a really pinkish nudish color, so I'm gonna use this lipsticks as my blush because I don't have cream blush. So you know, every time I saw the market have some kind of a cream blush, just like a lip balms, so I just keep thinking, why don't use lipsticks to instead of them. Oh, it's really good. Can you see it? It have kind of a glow to it, really healthy glow to it. I found I do this, it's much better than I do the powdery blush. You know, powder blush sometimes can emphasize, you know, some dryness, patchiness on my skin. Personally, my skin is kind of combo skin. This it's around my nose is, you know, just these two sides is oil sometimes. Sometimes here is oil. But this time around my mouth is really dry. And the rest of my face is really dry either. Right now I'm looking in the mirror. I saw my skin looks really good. I will zoom you guys in. You can see all the patchiness and the concealer make my skin really dryness is all gone actually. It's better than I just put the foundation on my face. You should try. I am obsessed